Welcome to the Real Estate Channel. Your home is your most expensive asset, and the roof on your home is a crucial part of the structure that protects you from the elements. As a homeowner, it's important to understand the basics of roof maintenance, repairs, and replacement. A well-maintained roof not only protects your home but also adds value to your property. In this video, we will cover the topic of roof maintenance and the importance of keeping your roof in good condition. Let's get started. Signs of roof damage. The first step in roof maintenance is to inspect your roof regularly for signs of damage. Look for missing or cracked shingles, leaks, rusted flashing, and sagging areas. You should also check your attic for signs of water damage or mold growth. Roof repairs. If you notice any damage, it's important to address it as soon as possible to prevent further issues. Simple repairs like replacing a few shingles or fixing a leak can extend the life of your roof. However, if the damage is extensive or your roof is old, it may be time for a replacement. Roof replacement. A roof replacement can be a significant investment, but it's necessary when your roof is beyond repair. The average lifespan of a roof is around 20 to 25 years, so if your roof is approaching or exceeding that age, it's likely time for a replacement. There are several types of roofing materials to choose from, including asphalt shingles, metal, tile, and more. Hiring a roofing contractor. When it comes to repairs or replacements, it's important to hire a reputable roofing contractor. Look for a company with a good reputation and experience in your area. Don't be afraid to ask for references or check online reviews before making a decision. Roof maintenance. Regular roof maintenance can help prolong the life of your roof and prevent costly repairs. This includes cleaning debris off your roof, keeping gutters clear, and trimming overhanging trees. You should also schedule regular inspections to catch any issues early. Insurance coverage for roof repairs. It's important to review your homeowner's insurance policy to see what is covered in terms of roof repairs or replacements. Some policies may cover damage from natural disasters, while others may only cover damage from accidental causes. Be sure to discuss any questions or concerns with your insurance provider. Seasonal roof maintenance. Different seasons can bring different challenges for your roof. In the fall, for example, it's important to clean out gutters to prevent clogs that can lead to water damage. In the winter, it's important to remove snow buildup to prevent damage from the weight of the snow. Consider creating a seasonal maintenance checklist to ensure your roof is properly maintained year-round. In summary, as a homeowner, it's important to keep an eye on your roof for signs of damage, address any issues as soon as possible, and schedule regular maintenance to keep your roof in good condition. By staying proactive and informed, you can keep your roof in good condition and protect your home for years to come. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to keep up with new videos as they are released. See you in the next video.